Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys my wash day routine. So I'm going to hot oil and pre-poo my hair. In this water bottle I have 1 part conditioner and the rest is water, and you want to shake it up. I've already applied my oil here. I didn't film it because I've shown you guys plenty of times my hot oil treatment. So you want to start off by sectioning your hair, and you're going to apply this mixture and it just detangles your hair super easily. I find that pre-pooing my hair makes my wash day routine a lot smoother, less tangles, easier washing. I'm going to also clarify my hair with the Way shampoo, and then I'm going to use a moisturizing shampoo, which is the Shea Moisture's shampoo. My videos are pretty self-explanatory, so you will see that later on. And then I'm going to apply my leave-in spray, which has been the rosemary spray. Yes, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Also, I like to brush my hair vertically rather than horizontally. I find it easier when it comes to getting my tangles out of my hair. I'm going to show you both ways so you guys can see how much easier it is to detangle horizontally rather than vertically. I mean vertically rather than horizontally. Oh my gosh. Okay, bye guys. Enjoy the video.